It's okay. Why can't copy you, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this here, this is the problem. Okay? What she said was, why can't I paint you? Why can't I paint Why can't I paint you?
Why can't I paint you?
Yes, that's better. Do you remember when we first start the first class? I said copy me, and you go right. But now when I say why can't I paint you, you go why copy, right? It's called copycat karaoke for a reason.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But you look at little children; they have no problem with that.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But with adults who go, oh, I have to figure this out. I have to figure this out, right? Okay. So why can't I paint you?
Why can't I paint you?
Yes, there you go. You got it. Why can't I paint you?
Why can't I paint you?
Much better. Okay.